students have always transferred, but it's never been intentional. But this is an intentional opportunity for us to go out, identify students, and one of the things that's interesting about this program is that while at Cpcc, students will interact here. They will start getting involved in their career services opportunities here at Johnson C. Smith. They are going to have to take a class here at Johnson C. Smith regarding internships and experiential learning and career advising to get them ready, because one of the things that Johnson C. Smith is going to be leaning into is career experiential learning. And that's going to be a component, a very, very important component of what we deliver here on campus. So those students, even while they're at Central Piedmont, will be able to start that process at Johnson C. Smith. So that's another exciting component of this program. Johnson C. Smith University, I came from Philadelphia, where I'd worked at an institution which really, really looked to get transfer students from community college. That was Temple University. So when I came here, I asked the staff, I said, well, do we have articulation agreements? And it turned out we did not. So I came in January 2018, and we signed a general articulation agreement with the state that would allow students from community colleges to enter Johnson C. Smith as juniors. But what this particular agreement does is that it creates a guided pathway in particular subject matter area. And it's really, really outstanding. We're looking forward to doing many, many more of these, because transfer students, as you look at the declining numbers and demographics of students who are going to college and looking at the cost of college, community college is a great way to kind of do both. You can reduce the cost of your overall college education and also get students who may not be traditional students who are going back and really attracting them. So one of the things that we're doing here with this program is putting money where our mouth is. We're not just accepting the students, we're going to provide them with aid, which we've never done before. So we're really excited about that.